Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
On the inside. Inside, the car is a mess. Within. In reality. At bottom, at heart, deep down, in spite of appearance. With respect to private feelings. Inwardly. Within a building. In winter we play inside. Indoors. The inner or enclosed surface of something. Interior. The region that is inside of something. Interior. Confined to an exclusive group. Inside information. Inner, privileged. Away from the outer edge. The inside lane. Being or applying to the inside of a building. An inside wall. Relating to or being on the side closer to the center or within a defined space. He reached into his inside jacket pocket.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.